So this is the property from the front. It's charming enough. And what's nice is down this way, that's 2 blocks to our downtown Appleton. And then right here, right across the street, we have a bus stop. So we had those factors in play, which is some things that I liked. And then what you don't always find, what I like this property, is around back here, there is a 2-car garage. You only get one side of it, and off-street parking, which is nice being close to downtown. And I had this porch. And what I'll do is I'll flip the camera around as we kind of walk and explain some of the, following the checklist that Al gives you, and just keeping it simple, not overthinking things. Is really what has been key. So here we go. Kind of come in the back door. Got a foyer area. I guess the one downside, but we turned it into a plus talking with Al, because there was this pink tile in the bathroom. What we did is we just decorated with it. Made sure to have all your Bath and Body Works, and then up above here, we keep all our white everything. Towels, hand rags, extra things. Put the hand soap. We walk in, and this is what I liked. A little more updated, beautiful kitchen. We keep same concept, simple, white, honestly, cheap. And then once our guests come in, the lockbox on the back porch. We kind of did this to add an extra little spin to it. We have our guest manual and key there. We have a Keurig. We stock coffee. And we spent a little bit of money on having a nicer couch. Be sure to have a nice big Wi-Fi TV. We put the fireplace in for the extra bonus. Some simple artwork. We spent some money there. Everything's off Facebook Marketplace. And we kept it simple like Al talks about. White, an office area. This is the main master. Simple artwork that's from Facebook Marketplace. We got blackening curtains. We got a TV in here with internet. And then what we tried to do nice is we added the wood hangers to kind of, and there's your suitcase holder. Laundry's in the basement. But, so this is like kind of the gist of the property. Like I said, we just followed his checklist, grabbed a couple extra things that weren't on there, like a pizza cutter and small. Our one guest needed a blender. I just ran and grabbed one. Overall though, but yeah, so we're turning $1,000 a month with very low vacancy, and this is through COVID. Just with the support of Al and his Facebook group. So again, thanks everyone, and it's real.